they go?
I don't know.
What did you tell them?
You'll never know. But they weren't the only ones who knew.
Who else knows?
I'll never tell you.
Then what use are you to me? Tell me why I shouldn't just scrap you right here, right now.
If that's what you want to do, go for it. But I'll protect my friends before I'll tell you anything.
So be it!
Stop! He's not worth the time. Besides, we have something else to attend to. They found Oliver and Fat Hat.
What? No!
Shut up!
You'll never win.
Shut up! To think I actually trusted you. I'm looking forward to scrapping you.